Extreme Adrenaline Sports Entertainment Company presents the 2013 Honda Motocross Series. Let's go to the MMF racetrack and see the top riders of the country compete in exciting motocross racing happening at MX Messiah Fairgrounds near Club Manila East, Taytay Rizal. Overall champion for the Pro Open production and Honda One Make Race Open Underbone category will win and bring home a brand new Honda XRM motorcycle. All this is brought to you by Extreme Adrenaline Sports Entertainment Company, bringing you the fun adrenaline rush of extreme sports and beyond.